Homeless tutorials. Control your own reality.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's Calero from Homeless Penthouse, and today I'm here with Fong.
Yep.
And we're going to be unboxing this sewing / embroidery machine that we bought off of Amazon. It's called the Brother SE625. And I'm just going to show you guys a little bit of the box before we get into it. This is the box that it came in. Basically, this is the machine. We're gonna get it plugged up and working for you guys in a second. It does have a USB port where you can plug in any drive that you have with designs on it, and it'll load up for you for embroidering or anything. And yeah, this little digital screen, once it turns on, I'll show you guys. All right, so we have this on. This is what the screen options look like. The light turns on and stuff like that. But yeah, it just has like a screen. It is touchscreen, so you don't like these buttons right here don't really mean anything. We have a design already loaded up if you guys cannot see, just the test pretty much. And yeah, we're basically going to learn how to use this machine today. We have the instructions. We're probably going to end up on YouTube. But just the different features. I'm not really a sewing person, so I don't know what all these features mean, basically. So I can't really give you guys an in-depth, detailed tour of this machine until we learn how to use it. But yeah, tune in, and we'll show you guys how to work this machine. Now we're gonna go ahead and thread this machine for you guys step by step to just basically show you. We have our black thread already put into the thread holder, I guess that's what you would call that. And this machine is super easy. Like if you need any help on seeing step by step, it's easily YouTubeable, I guess. That's the best phrase I could say. But on the machine itself, it does have each step of the threading process numbered for you guys, so you can't really, it's dummy proof basically. So I'm gonna take our thread here and we're gonna go through the first loop right here on step 1. So step 1 is done. Then step 2 is to go around here. Step 3, go around the little wheel. Step 4, like it's super fast, like honestly. You go down, I'm gonna go down here. And in the machine it has like hooks and stuff that holds it. And you're gonna bring it up to step 4, hook it around that metal hook in there, bring it down. Step 6, we're gonna hook it on that piece. Okay, step 6, 7, and then it wraps around here.
And then it goes into that 8.
You bring it up to the 8, which is a thread cutter. You don't really need this, but yeah. And then we're gonna put the white bobbin in the bottom as well. Now, what YouTube has taught us, you gotta what?
Yeah, alright.
We gotta thread it first. Okay, so we're gonna thread the needle.
Yep, if you hit this number 9,
Push down on 9.
no,
It's gonna
go
thread the
through it.
needle for you.
And then once you hit 9 down, it'll cut it. And then,
It'll thread the needle for you.
yeah, did it go?
Yep, it's threaded. Boom. So now I'm going to thread the bottom as well. You see that the needle is threaded. You have to put it in clockwise, so this way. I'm gonna put it in here. Then you're gonna take this thread and you're gonna wrap it through here. Wrap it around until it's, oh my god, please cooperate. There we go. Bingo. And then you're gonna take this little screen and you're gonna put it back over for safety purposes. And that just snaps in.
And then you gotta get this little thread all the way through.
Alright. And then we're gonna hook up our fabric we're gonna use. This is just test run fabric, so don't be judging us. And I'm gonna snap this in. This needs to be tighter, so I'm gonna tighten this. Real simple, you just screw it, basically. Okay, so these little 2 things you're gonna slide in the machine right here. I'm gonna slide this piece of the machine back in. As you guys can see, it'll slide in. And it snaps back into place. And we're gonna wait for this to load back up. So we picked out our line. black. Gonna black it all out. Okay. So it should be done. Hold on, it's saving our design. All right, so now we're ready to go. And basically, we have our foot down. And it's embroidering.
I'm so hot, I be trapping in Spanish. I'm so hot, hot.
That's our design, and it shows you too on the screen, like the little plus sign that's green. If you guys can see that, that's basically the parts that it's working on at the moment. This shit is fire.
Damn, that shit is tough.
Final result of our test run. Yes, there's a little bit of flaws. We did break a needle, but this was all the learning process for us. Probably is for you guys too if you're here watching this video. But yeah, test run is always great to do. Okay, so we found the Chanel logo online that we wanted to recreate with the embroidery machine. It took a while. I do not advise this for people with low patience because this shit right here. But we're almost done with the Chanel sign. Basically, you have to get these files uploaded into a flash drive, which is not a regular file. It's not a JPG or none of that type of stuff. You guys, I'll let you look into that. I'm not gonna get deep into it in the video, but do your research and it'll tell you what kind of file you need. It's pretty difficult, but besides that, the machine is almost done with the design, and I think it came out pretty good. We haven't had any problems with this design either. Needle hasn't broken us or anything. But this instruction book is quite lengthy. It has chapters and whatnot on embroidering and sewing in general. But yeah, I advise you guys to go to YouTube or find someone that knows how to do this online and read their blog. It's much easier and simpler that way. This is more of like the technical details to the whole machine. Yeah. We've probably watched about 20 YouTube videos. So if you really want to learn how to do this, you really need to be dedicated.
Like, I don't even know what he's talking about right now, like, honestly.
So right here it says 18 minutes. That's the overall design time. It doesn't count down or anything, so don't be mortified if you're 5 minutes in. It still set the time. This right here, this little fraction, is the threads, I'm assuming, and it takes about 67,100 threads, and we're at 4,600 right now. So basically, yeah, you can just go off based on how many threads is left. So this was our first trial run. We had a couple flaws because we did have a needle break on us as well, and that was the only problem with this design really. We didn't have the needle link tight enough in the back side of what an embroidery looks like. But yeah, we just used 2 pieces of fabric because the test fabric we have is super thin, so you wouldn't really have to worry about that if you just had like normal fabric. Okay, so this is our final design. There is small little flaws, but for a first time embroiderer, this was okay for me at least. It took me about 2 hours like searching up this design and trying to figure out how to make the designs this certain file. It's really a pain in the ass, I promise you.
Alright, so I bought this thing on the internet. Like, how did they do this? Like, I want to do that over here. That's why I bought the machine.
Yeah, but you can't put the ski mask in the machine.
What do you mean?
Like, the ski mask doesn't fit inside of the stencil thing that you use.
Then how did they do this?
You make these little logos, you cut them out, and then you adhere them to here.
Nah, chill.
No, I'm trying. Look, see, that's the thing that they did it on. I'm trying to tell you. And then they
No.
sew it in.
No.
I swear.
So you can't do this.
Not on this machine.
What the fuck?
You need like a machine 10 times the size and maybe about like 15 workers. Not just me and an SE25. That's not gonna work.
Alright.
It's not how it's produced.
Pack this up. It's going back. Amazon's
Sending it back
fine.
to Amazon. So
Thank you, Jeff Bezos. I'm out.
shout out Homeless Penthouse and stay tuned for more of me trying to figure out things that I have no clue how to do.